Hi Spy Ninjas! In Chat's video, he gave me these 2 minerals right here, and I'm supposed to mix these together, and hopefully by mixing these together, I can give it back to the mystery man, and hopefully in exchange for the mixture, he'll give me back my Tesla. All right, I'm gonna mix mineral 1 and mineral 2 together. And this is the solution I'm gonna add to the minerals, because this is the one that Chad gave me. Hopefully, nothing too crazy happens. 3, 2, 1. Oh my goodness, it's fizzing! Whoa! Look, they're mixing together. The purple and the orange, they're mixing and combining together. I think the 2 minerals already reacted. I think it's done. So I'm gonna transfer into this test tube just in case I spill any and I still have a sample. All right guys, I'm gonna put it in my trusty Spy Ninja backpack and let's go deliver this. Wait, oh, my phone's ringing. Let me get it. It's an unknown number. Okay, I'm gonna put it on speaker. Hello?
Have you done what I have asked?
Yes, I have, but who are you? Who is this?
Deliver the mixture to me and you will know in due time.
No, you've said that before. Stop saying that. Tell me who you are, or I won't bring the mixture.
Deliver it to where the sun sets.
Oh, the sunset? What does that even mean? What does that mean? Hello?
Good luck, my friend.
Hello? No. I need more information. Hello? Hello? Oh my gosh! What does this person want? I don't even know what that means. Deliver it where the sun sets? I feel like I've heard this before. I think he says like house of the sunrise or something in that sentence. And I think it meant east because the sun rises on the east. And he said goes to where the sun sets. So that probably means west. So I probably should head west, which will be that way. All right, let's go guys. I am heading west because that's where the sun sets. So I don't know why this mystery man is leading me here. If you guys see anything, please let me know in the comments below. I mean, I'm trying to look around here, but there's nothing. So it's kind of weird. I'm not sure what I'm looking for. Wait, I think there's a hacker coming this way. And there's a note. I'm gonna put the camera down just in case the hacker gets it. Wait.
No.
No. Oh my god! Oh my gosh! Where's the note? Where's the note? Oh my gosh! No! Okay, alright guys, let's go. We got the note. I gotta grab my backpack. Oh, here it is. Okay, let's go. Oh my gosh, there's a hacker behind me. Oh no, he's back up. Let's go. All right, guys. Hopefully the hacker is not chasing after me. Okay, we gotta find a place to hide. Okay, all right. This tree looks good. Now we need to decode the clue, because I don't think the hacker is behind me anymore. I think we lost him. Let's decode this note here together. Okay, you guys, let me know in the comments below if you guys know what these mean. You guys, we've seen a lot of these. These little circles here on top, they usually symbolize like degrees, like 96 degrees, you know, coordinates. So maybe this is N for north and then W for west. But what are these here? But these are letters, so that's different. Wait, I've seen these before. These are elements of the periodic table. Okay, if you don't have a periodic table, I actually have one in my bag because I found it one during the campsite, remember? The first one's Li, just right here. I think it's lithium. Oh, you guys, there's a really super small number right here. I think it says 3. So Li equals 3. If that's true, then C equals 6. Does that sound right? If you guys think this is right, give this video a thumbs up if you think I'm in the right track right now. So H here equals 1, helium equals 2, beryllium, which equals 4. So 1, 2, 4. 124 west. That must be it. This must be coordinates, you guys. 36 degrees north, 124 degrees west. So let's go and find out where this is. All right, let's go, guys. All right. Okay, hold on. You know what? I think I should call Chad and tell him where I'm going so he can meet up with me. Chad.
V.
Okay, I figured out the clues. I have the coordinates.
What, you did?
So I'm gonna send it to you, text it to you where I'm heading. So I want you to meet me there. You and Daniel should meet me there because I don't want to be alone. I'm not quite sure if it's safe for me to be alone. So I'll meet you there, okay?
Okay, I'll meet you there.
Okay, bye. All right, you guys, let's hurry up. Hopefully Chad and Daniel will meet me there once we get there. You guys, I'm just gonna slow down a little bit because it's really dark out here. I can't really see where I'm going very well, and I feel like if I make too much noise by running, someone might be coming after me. So, I don't know, it's kind of freaky and I'm by myself, so you guys need to keep an eye out for me. Who was that? Oh, it's just my phone. Okay, alright. It's from an unknown number. Okay. Hello?
Knock 4 times when you see the door.
Hello? Who is this? Hello? Hello? What the heck? Okay, that's all he said. He said was come to the door and knock 4 times or something like that. All right, well, I guess at least I know what to do once I'm there. So let's just continue on with our journey quietly and safely. All right, guys, I think we're almost there. I think we're getting really close. Whoa, you guys, I think this might be it. Oh, wait.
It's us and Daniel. Hey, okay, we made it.
Oh, you guys made it.
V, you wanted us to meet you here, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, I did.
So, wait, whose gate is this? Where are we, V?
This is the mystery guy's house. Or I don't know.
The guy who's been calling us?
Yeah, I'm not sure if it's his house, but this is where he told me to go and to meet him here.
We're gonna meet him? See who he is?
Yeah, that's what he said. You know, I wasn't sure if it's like a trap because it could be a PZ member, so I needed you guys here. Okay. So, I mean, if it's actually the mystery guy, we're finally actually gonna see what he looks like.
Yeah, we don't know if he's a PZ member or who he is. Is he helping us or is he a bad guy or what?
Yeah, I mean, are you guys prepared to have a ninja fight if it happens to come down to it?
If needed, hopefully not.
Yeah, hopefully not.
It's always the last resort. Let's just try to go in, huh?
Okay,
locked.
It's locked. Yeah, it's locked.
Okay. It's not good.
There's not even like a place for a key or anything.
Yeah.
Key? There's no keyhole.
There's no keyhole.
How does that work?
Okay.
How do we get in?
Yeah, he called me and he said that to knock 4 times.
Okay.
And then I was like, knock 4 times on the ceiling or like on the floor or whatever, but I think it's just, he probably just meant the door.
Oh,
yeah.
That makes sense.
Yeah.
All right, let's try it. 3, 4. Whoa, it opened. Oh.
It just opened automatically?
It just opened. How did it open? Is there anybody there? Hello?
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 Oh my gosh, it's really dark in there, V. Should we go in there? I don't know.
I mean, I want my Tesla back. I don't need my car. We need something, you guys. We're homeless. We need at least a car for shelter. So I think we should go in.
All right, let's go inside.
Let's go.
Okay. It's really dark in here. I can barely see you with my own eyes.
Be on high alert because someone might come out at any time.
Yeah.
But it's so dark though. Chad, do you have like any sort of like flashlight, or Daniel, do you have any?
A flashlight?
Yeah, I've got a flashlight here. Let me get it out of my
can
pocket
you
here. Okay.
Yeah, get a flashlight, Chad.
Whoa, wait, is that Joseph Banks?
Is that you? Are you Joseph Banks or not?
Yes, it is I, Joseph Banks III. Please, no cameras, don't show my face.
Okay, fine, but why did you bring us here? Why didn't you tell us who you were on the phone?
Are you the mystery guy who's been calling me all this time?
Yes, of course. However, I have not told you, only to protect you from Project Zorgo.
So why did you bring us here? Why did you take the Tesla? I don't get it. That didn't seem to help us at all.
Yeah.
Do you have the mixture I asked for?
The mixture, yes, I do.
Gave you the chemicals, you mixed it, right?
Yeah. I put it in my Spy Ninja backpack here. Okay, it's right here, you guys.
Great.
Okay. No. Yeah. Why do you need this mixture?
Tell us first, then we'll give it to you.
I will take this mixture.
Wait, what is it for? What are you gonna use this for?
Okay. I will take this mixture and combine it with a new chemical known as CH4D.
CH4D.
4D. What the heck is that?
Do we know what that is?
CH4D. What is that? What's that all about?
Come hither, Chad. I shall explain.
Okay, Daniel,
I'll take the camera.
Okay, I'm here. What do you want?
Do you remember when you first broke into my lab?
I mean, yeah, I didn't mean to break into your lab. I mean, I was trying to protect you from Project Zorgo. I thought they were trying to rob you or something, so I was trying to help you.
Surely. However, you have created something fantastic.
But all I did was I took a blue and a red and I mixed them together and it created like a green liquid. But I thought that was just like a fake liquid. It turned out to be like a dud and didn't do anything.
Yes, It is much more than that.
Gosh, I mean, I kind of feel like I'm at Disneyland or something. So you're saying that when I mix those two chemicals together, it created CH4D?
Why, yes, of course.
I've never even heard of CH4D though. What is that?
CH4D.
What is it?
Well, the 4 kind of looks like the letter A, and it spells chard for you.
Oh, so you named it after me.
Of course.
Okay.
Well, that's pretty cool.
Oh, wow.
I like that.
Very nice.
I like that.
Okay, so you're on our side then?
But yeah, are you on Project Zorgo's side or ours? Yeah.
Of course I am with you guys.
Okay.
Yeah. Why would you steal our Tesla
Yeah.
if you're on our side?
Yeah.
So that's not a very friendly thing to do.
Yeah.
Someone on your side?
Well, with the mixture you've got in me, mixed with CH4D, together it shall power your car.
Or our
Power car.
I mean, it's already runs off of electricity, but are you saying you're gonna make our car even more powerful?
More powerful than you can even imagine. Give me the mixture. I will need some time to synthesize this, plus to use those steel plates you've got in me. Thank you for that.
Oh, okay, so you're gonna...
Car's gonna look really different with those steel plates on it.
Okay, yes, it's gonna be weird, but I guess I'm just gonna have to trust you. I hope you guys trust him too. So thank you so much to all you notification ninjas who show up whenever I post a brand new video. I'm showing your comments right here. Make sure to subscribe to me, subscribe to Chad, and Daniel behind the camera there.
Click right here, guys, to watch the next video. I can't wait to see what your car looks like, B. I'm a little bit worried.
All right, well, I guess I'll see you guys next time. Kick bump out.
All right, kick
All
bump.
right, Joseph, you want to kick bump with us?
Joseph, you wanna get in on this kick bump?
Yes,
All right,
please.
1, 2, 3.
Kick bump.